I have a new activity up here, and you can see Chad replied, okay, thank you, to something, to the financial sample thing here. So we showed the Excel, we showed the SharePoint stuff. You can, another thing that you can do inside tabs is you can integrate websites straight there. So if you have a website that your department works on a lot, you can just integrate that right into a tab, which the website works just like it would in a regular browser. You can click through there. So again, keeping everybody in one spot, not having to go back and forth between a lot of different things. You can integrate Power BI reports, so you can have live reports right in a tab, which is really handy. Microsoft Forms, again, this is a lot of Microsoft's products. You can integrate a form right in there where people can answer stuff. Wonderful. Another cool feature is another Microsoft product is Planner, and I'll actually let Chad talk a little bit about Planner and how that works inside Teams. Which, Chad, share your screen.
So the nice thing about Planner is that obviously you can use it as a to-do, but the best thing that we notice that we like it the most for is that you can assign a person, you can assign anybody that's within that team, you can do a priority, you can do urgent, important, low, you can keep track if you're in progress, if you're complete of whatever the task is, a start date, due date, just kind of like any other to-do. You can put your notes here. Something that we use a lot for the marketing department is that if Alex is working on something, some sort of leave behind or some sort of marketing material, she'll attach it here, and then you can collaborate right here about that particular product, whatever she's working on for the marketing material. And you can also categorize it with different colors if you want to go that far. There's a lot that you can do with it. And then, for example, if you want to just move it over, if you have started, completed tasks, you can just move them around. You can assign multiple people. And you can also set up templates so that way if you want to bring up this, if you make a template and want to use it again, you can do that. And then with the charts over here, you can kind of get a high level of who has tasks, where they are they late, in progress, or completed, or not started yet. And then you can also see the schedule based upon the start date and due date of each task. You can see what kind of where it all lines up. So this is great for project management. If you're managing a handful of people and you want to have everybody has kind of visibility on where everybody's at to kind of keep everybody accountable. This is a great way to kind of have a very easy way of doing it. And if you have something on here like a due date, say the due date was today, it automatically sends you an email reminder the day before and the day of, letting you know you have a task coming up. And if it's overdue, if this was due 2 days ago, then it would constantly be sending me emails saying your task is not completed, you have overdue tasks. And it's very helpful just to stay on top of everything you have going on.